delicious tomato soup recipe. Hello, wonderful students. Today, we will explore a recipe for a warm and delicious tomato soup. Tomato soup is a comforting dish, perfect for lunch or dinner. Let's begin. Ingredients: 5 ripe tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions: 1. Start by washing the tomatoes and chopping them into chunks. 2. Peel and finely chop the onion and garlic. 3. In a pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 4. Add the chopped onion and garlic to the pot and sauté until they are soft. 5. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pot. 6. Pour the vegetable broth into the pot. 7. Season the soup with salt and pepper. 8. Let the soup simmer for about 20 minutes until the tomatoes are soft. 9. Use a blender to puree the soup until it is smooth. 10. Garnish the soup with fresh basil leaves if you like. Enjoy your warm and comforting tomato soup.